Hello kids. Now there are so many customs and rituals जिनके बारे में हमें लगता है कि ये पुरानी सोच है और ये अच्छी नहीं है. लेकिन क्या हर पुरानी सोच या कस्टम खराब होता है? Let's see in this story Ancient Pride. The time for fun was here again. Not a week or two, but full half a year of fun. He would reap his wheat crop and dispose it off in the market. And then he would head for us, our house in the city, with pockets full of money, which he was ever ready to spend on us. Not all of us, only we children. And he would stay with us until after Diwali, when it was time to sow the wheat crop in the village. Let me tell you who we are talking about. Oh, none else but our dearest Dadaji, my dear old grandfather. Not only you find his pockets full, but also his hands full with bundles of gifts when he comes. These gifts are an infinite source of fun and taste too. All of them mouth-watering. Stuff that no one ever brings me, homemade laddus, bumpy from granny's fingers that shaped them. Sticks of sugar cane that smell of his fields. Papads rolled out in his courtyard. I never know what is more fun, opening the bundles or wolfing the stuff down. And he never refuses us to buy anything from the neighborhood market. You name a thing and you have it the same evening. सभी के grandparents I guess ऐसे ही हैं. बच्चे जो डिमांड करते हैं फट से हाजिर है. And being in Dadaji's company is fun. He would tell us stories and would sing folk songs in his rustic voice. And he would tell us how to make earthen toys. मिट्टी के खिलौने बनाना भी सिखाते हैं. Dadaji is accompanied with a new order of discipline too. शायद जो डिसिप्लिन वैसे नहीं वो दादाजी के आने पर शुरू हो जाता है. अब वो डिसिप्लिन क्या है? Let's see. With his arrival, a change is perceptible in the home environment. Suddenly, Daddy doesn't want to tweak my ears. पापा कान खींचना बंद कर देते हैं. Perhaps because it reminds him of the years when Dadaji tweaked his. Mummy can't spank me because Dadaji clears his throat to show his displeasure. So 6 months of freedom, full of fun. But then there are other things too that are not so fun. One generation is different from the next. But then we are apart from Dadaji by 2 generations. There is a little glitch that comes with Dadaji. That simply is his dress. Glitch matlab gadbad. He insists on wearing a spotless white dhoti and kurta topped with a pink turban. Pink. Imagine. The dhoti and kurta are not all that bad. In fact, it looks quite good and impressive. But none of my friends has a relative who wears a turban. We have tried to tell Dadaji that he can leave his head uncovered at least during his sojourn here. I've always worn a turban, he counters, ever since my childhood, in my youth even when I went abroad. He has often told us of his adventures when he had been to Europe. आप imagine कर सकते हैं कि आप यूरोप जैसी जगह में घूम रहे हैं और सिर पे पिंक पगड़ी पहनी हुई है. दादाजी ने तो पहनी थी. Once Daddy tried to tell him it was a waste of cloth and effort. Dadaji looked Daddy up and down and said in a tight voice, "You look odd to me in these trousers and shirt and that piece of cloth so tight around your neck." "Pitaji, I have to wear a tie to work," said my daddy in a soft voice that was reserved only for Dadaji. "If you can tie that cloth around your neck, why can't I tie one around my head?" Dadaji replied sharply. Mummy giggled. She was normally a silent listener when father and son argued. But today, Dadaji had hit him out of the ground for a 6. He looked at her and grinned. Daddy looked at her and scowled. I looked at her and burst out laughing. बात ही इतनी इंटेलिजेंट करी थी दादाजी ने कि भाई तुम अपनी गले के अराउंड ये कपड़ा पहन सकते हो, तो मैं सिर पे क्यों नहीं. One afternoon, as Dadaji snoozed on his charpoy in the courtyard, Kamal dropped by. The trees around were all full of most amazing sweet and sour mangoes. We tiptoed past Dadaji and into our favorite tree. The first nip made your teeth tingle. Then came the sweet softness. कई बार जब हम कच्चे आम में चख मारते हैं तो पहले तो बड़ा ही खट्टा लगता है, फिर धीरे धीरे ऐसे लगता है कि शायद मीठा है. Into his second mango, Kamal chuckled. Hey, look there at Dadaji. Look at his turban. It was rising and falling with his breath. The turban seemed to have a life of its own. The pink panther, I suggested. The pink python, corrected Kamal. सभी बच्चे मजाक उड़ाते हैं, इन्होंने कौन सी नई बात कर दी. We giggled. Then Kamal had a weird idea. He picked up the catapult we brought down distant fruits with and said, "Watch me strike the python down with one mango." "No," I yelped. "You might hurt Dadaji." "Not Dadaji, the python," drawled Kamal. His imagination had run as wild as the panther and the python. अब बच्चे आपस में ही मजाक कर रहे थे. एक ने कहा कि दादाजी की पगड़ी पिंक पैंथर है, दूसरे ने कहा नहीं अजगर है. एनीवेज, अब देखें क्या होता है. द पाइथन, द टर्बन इज ऑन दादाजीज हेड. आई ट्राइड टू रीजन. अब कमल ने आइडिया लगाया कि एक मैंगो से दादाजी के सर की पगड़ी यानी कि वो पिंक अजगर उस पे हिट करेगा. लेकिन पोता तो आखिर पोता है ना, उसने उसे रोकने की कोशिश करी कि दादाजी को लग सकती है. तो उसने क्या कहा, द पाइथन, द टर्बन इज ऑन दादाजीज हेड. आई ट्राइड टू रीजन. हर्ड ऑफ विलियम टेल? श्रग्ड कमल. सी हिम इन एक्शन. Before I could say anything, the mango was out of the catapult and the turban was rolling on the floor, unraveling like an awakened serpent. अब सिर पे तो पगड़ी बंधी थी, लेकिन नीचे गिरते ही वो ऐसे खुल गई जैसे कि कोई सांप हो. दादाजी sat up, startled. He rubbed his eyes and looked at the turban on the ground. He picked it up gingerly, dusted it and looked around, perhaps for a squirrel. उन्हें लगा कि शायद कोई गिलहरी गिरा गई. My heart was pounding hard. He looked up. His face turned red. गुस्सा आ गया. I thought he would burst into flame. Down, he thundered. Dadaji had never used that tone with me. My knees turned to jelly and my feet felt like lead. We slithered down and landed in a sorry heap. Dadaji looked strange with his beetroot face and his bald, turbanless head. He glowered at Kamal. Go home. Kamal fled. Dadaji looked at me. What would your father say? Say? Not much. He would do something with the long cane that he has always used to threaten me with. Sorry, Dadaji. I will never do it again. Please don't tell Daddy. I pleaded, apologizing for something I had not done. But I could not let Kamal down. He was my friend after all. Dadaji fell silent. He picked the turban and planted it on his head. Will you do what I tell you to? Sure, I squeaked without hearing him out. On Independence Day, you will go to school in a pink turban. I think a part of me fainted. He had to be joking, but of course he wasn't. Dadaji was serious enough to march me up to the market to buy a pink turban and a white kurta pajama. Every evening, he would lock the door to his room and we would practice tying the turban. 1, 2, 3 rounds and then a neat tuck. It did not help to tie an untidy fold. because he would make me do it again. There were days I wondered if I had made the right choice. One thrashing from daddy could not have been worse. अरे मार खा लेते बेटर था. I could not sleep the night before Independence Day. This was one night I wished would not end. But it did. अब रात है तो सुबह तो होगी. दादाजी nudged me. Time to get ready. He sounded so cheerful, I could not believe he was my grandfather. Couldn't he see how wretched I felt? I wore the kurta pajama and looked at the mirror. I appeared to be a being from out of the universe. And then, it was the time to twist the turban around my head. Dadaji had starched it so that it would hold on its own. The pink python wound round, crushing my head with its grip. I could hardly breathe, but Dadaji didn't seem perturbed. Dadaji walked, and after him I took the tiniest step I could. But school was just a couple of blocks away, and my ordeal was around the corner. I could not bear to see the disgust on my friends' faces, so as the gate approached, I shut my eyes and slipped my hand into Dadaji's huge paw. I heard familiar voices. That was Naman. What was he saying? Oh, wow! Is that Ravi? No, I wanted to scream. It's Ravi's ghost. But someone had stuck my voice inside my throat with glue. Preetham whispered from somewhere close to my right ear. You look like a real prince. Tanvi assented with him. Yes, he looks like a prince. They must be joking. I opened my eyes. Smashing, squealed Ishan. Dadaji, pleaded Shruti, will you teach me to tie a turban, please? I puffed myself up and was about to tell her turbans are only for boys when Dadaji declared, yes, why not? I will teach you all how to tie a turban. After all, this is our ancient pride. And this is great fun too, I shouted at the top of my voice. हम कितनी चीज़ों को सोचते हैं ना कि पुरानी हैं, लेकिन हमें उन पुरानी चीज़ों पर भी गर्व होना चाहिए क्योंकि वो हमारी विरासत है.